You lot already know what time it is in Painters running. Oh shit. Did everyone get out the car season? Wait, let me get by this tree.
Yeah, you could have first.
Gotta be safe, you know, when these cars are coming past. Gotta be safe. Yeah, man. Just get it down there, please. Yeah. Now watch that little jump there. Gotta watch that little bump. Go far, man, as much as you can, you know, Paint.
You're coming this way?
Yeah, he always does, don't he?
Oh, okay, I need to be that tall.
Every man ducking, yeah?
Coming too tight.
You clear, bro? Raven, doing it again. I'll turn round, Paint. Don't do it that way. He looks warm, he does. Fuck. Scores at the last second. Whoo! You ain't fucking about flying. 3 ones and again. Good strong system in that, man, I'm telling you. Because these ones, you know, these ones ain't fucking about. That one was already probably a PB. Yeah. The first one.
Yo, check it. Take it back out, man.
All clear.
Just a light, I think.
You saved. No one didn't see it, but yo, I seen what you did. You saved it, bro. I was about to lick that there, you know.
I moved it
And you
over.
moved it.
I lost signal to bring. Once he went that way, bro, I had no.
You saved it though. You saved it. To get ripped off. Probably the Valalos. I had a good crash, I did. We were on pursuit looking for a battery. Paint had a good smash there. It was a good whack, weren't it, that one? Even though I saved it was a good whack. But a battery could have got ejected anyway.